Hello, it's Heather from Thought Blossoms. I'm going to do a short demo on how to attach a clasp to your bracelet. Some of you guys, your clasp falls off and it's a lot of trouble to send it back and it's time consuming, so it's really easy. You just need a couple of small pairs of pliers. I of course have jewelry pliers. I have a flat nose and then a needle nose. But if you have some other kinds of small pliers around the house, those could work too. So I'm going to show you how to attach both a lobster clasp and a magnetic clasp in the case that you have either one. And then we'll be using jump rings to attach them. So it's pretty simple, so just check it out. Okay, so I usually put my clasp on the right end, and I'm just going to take my pliers. I'm going to find the open end of the jump ring, which is right there, and I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to open side to side. Don't pull this way. Pull side to side to kind of wiggle it open, and I just had to do it one time. It came right open. I'm going to hang on to this guy. I'm just going to loop him on through my end, and then I'm going to use that same movement, that side to side. And did you hear the little click? That means it's in a good place. And I just want to make sure it's aligned. I like hearing those little edges kind of click into place. That way you know it's like really flush. So they're flush and it's on, and that's it. I didn't have to do the wiggling back and forth, probably just because I've done this 1,000,000 times. And then my clasp is on. So it's the same process for the magnetic clasp. And this one I'm actually going to do all the assembly. So in case your bracelet totally came apart, you'll know how to do it. Side to side, right? I just go side to side, open it. I'm going to put that through my cord end. Make sure my little plate is facing down, or charm, whatever you want to call it. Get it through there. Same thing, grab that edge. A little trick here with that in the way. Side to side until, I can feel it like it gets stuck because it's right up against the other edge and it's totally flush. So I got that one on. Now I just have another jump ring. Same thing, side to side. This is the fun part. The magnetic clasp sticks to the pliers. It's like, hey friend. Then side to side, wiggle it till it's flush, where nothing can get through it. Last one, same motion, side to side, go through the clasp, and then I'm just gonna, make sure it's flowing the right direction and that the cord is facing the right direction. The cord end is facing the right direction, so it's not like twisting once you put it on. And you'll notice, see, it came right out because it's like, hey, I love you, to the pliers, and now it loves the other pliers. It's very fickle. And then, so that can be a little bit hairy, like stop it. Same motion, side to side, until it's totally flush, and those ends are touching. And then you have a beautiful wrap bracelet. And see how it's not like twisted or anything. It's not like doing some weird thing like that. It's just laying flat. And you got your clasp on, and you're ready to go. You're ready to wear this bracelet. That, my friends, is how you attach a clasp or a jump ring. You can also use this for charms on a necklace. If you have a charm fall off and you just want to replace the jump ring, and you just do that side to side motion to get it back on there. Other components, other bracelets or other jewelry that you have with jump rings, that's just how you do it. So if you have any questions, leave them below. I'll try to answer them. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be doing more little tutorials on jewelry maintenance and upkeep. Or you can you can subscribe to the blog on thoughtblossoms.com, where we will talk about all kinds of things. Inspirational jewelry, inspired life, inspired living, promos, you know, all the fun discounts we have over the course of the year. We got Black Friday and Cyber Monday coming up, so that's exciting. And also just, you know, jewelry stuff, if you're interested in jewelry stuff, because you bought some jewelry or you have jewelry, because lots of us do have jewelry. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.